Royal KLUDGE RK61 stands out as one of the best budget-friendly compact keyboards available. While it doesn't quite match the performance of higher-end models like the Lab and Pro 2 or Corsair K65 RGB Mini in terms of wired latency or build quality, it offers incredible value for its price, especially for casual gamers or professionals looking for a smaller, more portable board. One of the standout features of the RK61 is its hot swappable printed circuit board PCB. This feature allows you to easily swap out the stock switches for others, giving you the flexibility to customize your typing experience without needing to buy a whole new keyboard. This is an excellent option for those new to mechanical keyboards or those who want to experiment with different switches without breaking the bank. Whether you're testing linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the RK61 lets you explore different options and find what works best for you. Another impressive feature of the RK61 is its versatility. It's available in several variants, with options for wireless connectivity, different backlighting configurations, and sizes, so you can pick the version that best suits your needs. If you're looking for something compact that doesn't take up much desk space, this 60% layout is ideal for portability. It's perfect for those who are constantly on the move or simply prefer a minimalist setup without sacrificing functionality. However, while the RK61 offers great value, it does have its trade-offs. It has higher wired latency than some of its competitors, meaning it may not be the best option for hardcore competitive gamers. Additionally, the build quality feels a bit less premium compared to pricier models like the Corsair K65 RGB Mini, which features a more solid and refined construction. Despite these drawbacks, the RK61 is still an excellent choice for casual use, whether you're gaming, typing, or just browsing. Overall, the Royal KLUDGE RK61 provides a solid typing and gaming experience at a fraction of the cost of many premium mechanical keyboards. Its hot swappable feature, wireless options, and compact design make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to get into mechanical keyboards without spending too much money. It's perfect for those who want to test out different switches, enjoy the portability of a compact board, and still get decent performance for casual gaming or productivity tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.